Hello students, welcome back to our online classes. Here is Deshmukh sir with the new topic for you today, and today's our topic is the Song of Songs. So let's get started. Slowly, gently the exhausted musician laid his tanpura on the carpet. So now who is the musician? Who is the musician who laid the tanpura on the carpet? So here we are going to talk about Tansen. We are going to talk about Tansen. Okay. So now Tansen was really exhausted. Tansen was really exhausted. What is the meaning of exhausted? Exhausted means tired. Tansen was tired. So he kept his tanpura on the carpet. So he kept his tanpura slowly and gently on the carpet. How he kept his tanpura on the carpet? Slowly and gently. So in next line, the exquisite strains. Here the exquisite strains means extremely beautiful notes. Exquisite strains means extremely beautiful notes of Rag Darbari. Here Rag Darbari is a tune. Rag Darbari is a tune in Hindustani classical music. Hindustani classical music. Rag Darbari is to be very difficult. Rag Darbari is known to be very difficult to play, and it is still vibrated. Rag Darbari is still vibrated within the hall. Why Rag Darbari is still vibrated within the hall? Because Tansen was playing in a such melodious way. Tansen means he was playing in such melodious way that it was still vibrating in the halls. Here Emperor Akbar was still able to hear those vibrations in the hall. Emperor Akbar was still able to hear those vibrations in the hall. So Emperor looked up, his eyes lit with admiration. Emperor means Akbar. Akbar looked up. Akbar looked up, his eyes lit with admiration and said, "Wonderful." Now, Akbar admired Tansen very much. He admired him a lot and told him, "Wonderful, superb. I listen to you every day, but I can't seem to have enough." Now, here students, Akbar saying that used to listen the music every day. Which music Tansen used to sing? Which music Tansen used to play? But it is not enough for him. It is not enough for Akbar. He is like he want to hear it again and again and more. Tansen bowed in silent gratitude. Here, what is the meaning of gratitude? Gratitude means quality of being thankful. Quality of being thankful. He bowed him thankfully. "I think you have the most wonderful voice in the world." Who said? Akbar said. Akbar said, "You have the most wonderful voice in the world." Here, Akbar told Tansen that according to him, according to Akbar, he has the most wonderful voice. Who has the most wonderful voice? Tansen has. "I don't, Shehenshah." Who said? Tansen said. Tansen replied. Akbar, he told, "No, Shehenshah, it's not like that. I don't have the most wonderful voice in this world." Why Tansen said? Tansen said with smile, there is someone who sings far better than I do, who sings far better than me. Tansen told to Akbar that someone is there. Someone else is there who sings far better than me. Who sings far better than Tansen. Here Akbar did not believe. He disbelieving. Akbar asked, because Akbar was not knowing anyone else rather than Tansen. He was knowing only Tansen, that who sings very melodiously, beautifully. So he was always admiring him. Tansen told that there is someone else who sings far better than him. So Akbar was not believing that. Then I must have him sing in my court. Who said? Akbar said. Can you arrange it? Who said? Akbar said. Akbar asked to Tansen to arrange that man who sings better than Tansen in his court. Tansen shook his head and said, I am afraid he will not come, sir. Tansen told Akbar that I am afraid that if I will tell him to come your court, then he will deny. He was not going to come to your court. What? Not even if he hears that the Emperor Akbar himself, request him to now Akbar was an emperor. Emperor means ruler. Ruler means king. So Akbar was shocked that what are you saying? Akbar said, Tansen, if he comes to know that the king has called him, then he also not going to come to my court? No, not even then. That means Tansen is saying that if he comes to know that you have called means the great emperor Akbar called him, then also he is not going to come to your court. This reply would have enraged. Now, what is the meaning of enrage? Enrage means filled with anger, means very angrily. Very angry, that means if another king, any another ruler, any another emperor hears that somebody has denied the order, then of course he was going get angry, right? When an emperor hears that somebody has denied the order, then obviously he will angry. But Akbar was different from other emperor, different from other king, different from other ruler. He knows very well. He said, Ustad ji. Now, who is Ustad ji? Ustad ji means Tansen. Ustad ji is Tansen. So Akbar said, it's okay. Okay. Smiling into Tansen's half scared eyes. So Akbar said, Tansen was scared. He told something. This is deny. He was denied order of an emperor in front of Akbar, in front of me, who was the great emperor. He doesn't come, I shall go to him. Who said? Akbar said, if this person is not come to my court, I shall go to him myself. Will you take me to him? Now Akbar saying Tansen that if he can't come, if he is not willing to come to my court, then I will go myself. I will go myself to him. And can you help me meet to him so that I can meet him, I can hear him singing? Then Tansen said, yes sir, provided you do not comes as the emperor of Hindustan. Tansen said. He agreed. Tansen agreed to take Akbar to Sant Haridas' house. But he told Akbar, means Tansen told Akbar, you must not come as an emperor of Hindustan in front of Sant Haridas.